Martinez, jumper, no good. Nakuha ni Nabe, pinang sa kalaban. Ahuli. Gargano, good for two. Out. Benson, Tupizo, jumper, no good. Barreto, lumayak, no good. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 9. Foul. Number 13. Let's say first personal foul, first team foul. That's it.
Uy, labas nyo na yun. Labas nyo na.
15 to shoot. Gargano. Good for 3.
Kakain na.
Belson. Fake to Martinez. Martinez jumper. No good. Rinafante to Barreto. Good for 2. Hernando floater. Good for 2. Fifteen to shoot. Gargano. Good for 2.
Pakay na. Best player yun.
15 to shoot. 9 to Martinez. No good. Out of bounds. Substitution. Dixon out. Magtibay in.
Kayong hotdog.
Belson. 2 points. Magtibay. Layup. Good for 2 by Mr. Magtibay. Kumapete. Tutuana. Good for 2 by number 14.
Nagawa ka ng tama. Papalabasin kita dyan.
Remaitan. 5 minutes and 2 seconds. 15 to shoot. 9. Foul. Number 14. That's a personal foul. Safety foul. Basket.
Lalabasin na kita dyan. Hindi ako imawi.
Orobida with the rebound. Rico Frante. Nagdadala ng bola. Pinasa kay Barreto. 15 to shoot. Orobida. Fake. 10 to shoot.
Kala ko isusot ko ito.
5 to shoot. 3 seconds violation.
Huwag ka nagkakalaw.
Verso. Fernando. Floater. Good for two. Stepping on the line. Magtibay. Magtibay. Nawan ni Nabe. To Verso. Verso. No good. Pinafrente. Layup. Good for two by Mr. Pinafrente. Out of bounds. Martinez. Spin move, no good. Berganyo. Berganyo. Out of bounds. Pinafrente. Too short. Verso. Zephyr. No good. Martinez. To Verso. Verso. Floater. Good ball two. OPS scored 60-57 in favor of Team BGS. Buena. Turang Frente. Short. Martinez. To Magtibay. Magtibay. Layup. No good. Garganyo. Turang Frente. 15 to shoot. Foul. Pushing foul. Number 22, Verso. Verso Santos on foul. First team foul. Barreto. 3. Here. Barreto. Barreto. Turang Frente. Garganyo. Frente. Barreto. No good. Garganyo. Turang Frente. Good for two by Mr. Frente. Fernando. No good. Orivila. Garganyo. Too short. Orivila. Verso. Layup. No good. Fernando. Verso. Magtibay. Layup. No good. Fernando. No good again. Foul number 22. Verso. That's your third personal foul. Penalty foul. Buena. To Orivita. Orivita. Floater. No good. Fernando. No good again. Orivita. Good for two by Mr. Orivita. Magtibay. Out of bounds. Substitution. OPS score 67-57 in favor of Team BTS. Remaining time 1 minute and 22 seconds. Buena. Good for two. Verso. Remain time, 1 minute and 2 seconds. No good. Foul. Number 35, Berganio. That's your first personal foul, 30 foul. No good. Remain time, 57 seconds. Nabe, with the rebound, jumper. No good. Out of bounds. Save ball. Martinez. No good.
Bluetooth disconnected.
To Gargano. Good for 2. Nabe, pumasok. No good na ni Martinez. Call out, no good. Rica Frente. Side step, no good. Rica Frente to Barreto. Barreto 3.
Bluetooth
20
connected.
seconds. Rica Frente. Good for 2. Venezuela na Frente. 5 seconds.
Technical mo nga yun.